Edrick Technology here, back with another video. The video of today is going to leave you just like one of the computer gurus or magicians. This is for those who want to wow their friends, families, boyfriends and girlfriends. In this video, I'm going to tell you simple yet very amazing things to wow your friends. Believe you me, this will only look like magic to them. Without further ado, let's do this. The first one is how to switch off or restart a PC by command or CMD. What I'm going to show you are only boss steps that will make you look super cool and also look like a computer guru. With that being said, with the computer on, please press Windows button plus arrow. This will show an inbuilt program on the bottom left of your screen and type CMD and press enter. Mind you, there are so many ways to run CMD or command prompt, but as I said, this will only make you look like a computer genius. Once you press enter, you'll be prompted with the command prompt. So now before we switch or restart the computer with the CMD, let us run this command just to wow your friends. Type color and A. This will change the color of the text to green, which is a color most hackers use when using the terminal or CMD. And now your friends will be like, oh my god. Once that is done, type shutdown space hyphen small s space hyphen small t and then space and then type the number of seconds that you want the command to be executed. That is from 0 to as long as you want. So once you type 0 seconds, the command will just be executed immediately. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like this type of videos. I'm going to make a lot of them in the near future, so please stay posted. So S stands for shutdown and then R stands for restart. Substitute S and R according to what you want the machine to do. Once you do that in front of your friends, they'll beg you to do more cool stuff. So stay tuned, we got you. The second category of tricks are just simple keyboard navigation, like this. Press Windows plus E. This will open the File Explorer. Two, press Windows plus L button. This will go to a lock screen. Go watch my previous video and see how you can steal password using this same trick. The third one, this is quick and easy way to hide what you were doing on your PC if someone just barging into your room. You just press Windows plus D. This will direct you straight to the desktop. The last trick is when you need to put a PC or a computer upside down to shock your friends. Trust me, they will be shocked. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the last trick, but definitely not the least. This trick is super amazing because once you perform this trick in front of your friends or on your friend's PC, they will definitely consider you as a computer magician. All you need is to press Alt plus Control plus downward navigation arrow. This will shock your friends. By so doing, the PC will rotate upside down. To revert this, press Alt plus Control plus the upside navigation arrow and you got it. I just have one question for you. Don't you feel good about yourself now? I bet you are. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications bell and share this video. You will have 100,000 years of good luck. Try it, it works.